Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going to the fruit and vegetable shop and also the meat shop.
So stay with us. We will show you what are the prices in Sydney. And we have bought a new wireless mic as well. So it's going to be kind of testing that.
And guys, the time is 4:50 right now in Parramatta and it's 17 degrees, so it's pretty cold.
Shops were pretty crowded for a weekend and vegetables were fresh. Usually, if you buy in bulk for big families, then it is the best thing. Coming to the prices, we have labeled each one, so check that out.